So here we go. So first, this is a reading for soulmates. All that I need to know about your person. So yeah, this is a very general reading for everyone. What is happening with you people? So right now with Queen of Wands, I believe you are not so upset. You're doing well. Even if your person is giving you attention, not giving you attention, it is not bothering you that much. Okay. What else do we see happening? What else do we see happening? I believe with Six of Pentacles, you're getting your balance back in life. You're feeling fine now. You're not like feeling detached or like feeling hurt. That is not there. You're feeling quite balanced. You're also very much passionate about life again. If you are into like something like say like in terms of your work life, say career, you're very passionate about it. You're going after it. Okay. I also feel if financially things were not looking very good in your life, things will get better. Okay, there could be some financial gains as well. Okay, out of nowhere. One more card for what is happening with the people. With the Eight of Cups, many of you guys are walking away from your person, and since walking away from your person, things have gotten a lot better. Instead of you feeling all that heartbreak and sorrow and depression, nothing is like affecting you much. I would say, like you are fine. It's not like you're very happy and vibing, but you are also not sad and like sitting in a corner and all that shit. Okay. So one card for your person. What are they up to? What are they up to? What's your person up to? So your person is going through a tower moment. Okay, I believe they have got struck by something that is possibly forcing them to see the truth. Okay, either they could have gone through a aha moment in their life that is pushing them away towards you. Okay, so if they chose someone else, or if they were possibly giving their attention to someone else, their energy to someone else, then that is not going well, to be honest. Okay, what else do we see happening in their life? With Five of Pentacles, I also believe your person right now and Nine of Wands is financially as well as emotionally feeling depleted. They feel emotionally exhausted. Financially as well, I believe things are not looking very good in their life. Like they are lacking financially, and emotionally they seemed all messed up. Okay, so yeah, this is the card. Your person is going through all sorts of highs and lows. Okay, so right now how are they thinking about you? Right now how are they thinking about you? The Fool card and Nine of Pentacles. This person has been trying to get single from you or to get away from you. Okay, possibly doesn't work for them. One more card. What's their situation? How they thinking about you now? With the Chariot card, I believe that this person, if they haven't reached out yet, are very much wanting to reach out. With Six of Cups. Okay, so what can you expect from this person now? What can you expect from this person now? With Five of Swords in the reverse, so this person is ready for compromise. They are ready to let go of their ego and possibly face the truth. This person was ignoring the truth. This person was very prideful and not wanting to see if they were wrong. But right now, after you ignoring them and you possibly not giving a fuck about them, they are finally realizing that they are missing on something. Okay, and they're missing on you, right? They are missing you majorly. So I believe even if they are at a distance from you or have maintained that emotional distance, I see this person very much wanting to return back. Okay, I know you're tired of listening to this and you're going to be like, another reading that says this. But sometimes when the energy says that they want to return, I'm going to speak it out loud to you. Okay, if your person doesn't return to you, that is your thing, right? But if I see something good, I can't bloody not want to speak about it. Okay, so yeah, one card. For what are their current feelings towards you? So what are their current feelings towards you, please? So in the past, they decided to ignore their feelings for you. Okay, Right now, also, I believe with Eight of Pentacles, they are using their work to distract them, like themselves from not thinking about you. But currently, how do they truly feel about you? How do they truly feel? With the Hanged Man, they do have feelings, but the problem with them is that they decide to resist it, or possibly not let it out. Okay, so this person, even after having feelings, has gone silent about their feelings, emotions. This person doesn't express their feelings. Okay, if your person is very expressive, then this might not be your reading. Okay, I wouldn't want to waste your time. Okay, so how are they going to come forward now? How are they going to come forward now? With the Fool card, I see this person trying to take that leap of faith. So out of nowhere, you could possibly get a message from this person, and you're gonna believe, be like, why are they messaging me now? But they have something in mind, darling. They are missing you. They are very much missing you, and they want to reach out. That's why they are reaching out. Okay. One more card. So what do they have in mind currently? What do they truly have in mind? What do they have in mind? We have Knight of Cups. Okay, whatever they chose did not go well for them. Whatever direction they were choosing, or whatever path they were choosing, or whichever person they were choosing, that shit is not going in their favor. It's going against, rather. Okay, so that is the reason why many of them are trying to return back to you. Okay, what is their major purpose of returning? They want to possibly apologize and possibly get back with you and start and want to see where things go with you. Okay, so one card for what action are they wanting to take towards you? What action are they possibly to take towards you? With the Lovers card, they're wanting to choose you. If they had options, they're wanting to choose you. They want to possibly get away from that fucked up mindset that they got, and trying to get their, like they're possibly clearing their doubts. They are possibly facing their fears, and they're possibly wanting to take that step forward towards you. Okay, one card for what do they truly feel for you? Like, what do they have for you? With Knight of Swords, this person is madly obsessed with you, and they want to charge towards you. They want to possibly reach out to you. If they've been ghosting you, they want to possibly face you now. Okay, I know I'm using that possibly for too fucking much, but I'm sorry for that. Reason being, Queen of Cups, they are very much in their emotions. They want to face you, they want to see you, they want to see what you're up to. Okay, they do not want to ghost you anymore. What do they think you are up to anyway? What do they think you are up to? They feel like you have surrendered to the situation or the connection, and you're possibly giving up. Okay, with Nine of Cups, they feel like you're happy, you're doing well, you're not so affected by this. Okay, with Page of Swords, they might, however, feel like you may stalk them, but you're not that affected by it. Like, you're not crying or dying or posting some sad shit on social media about it. So yes, where this is going for now, where this is going for now. With King of Swords, many of you guys will end up communicating. Okay, with Ten of Pentacles, I believe you are focused on your stability, they are focused on you. You are focused on this, and they are focused on this. This is a relationship. This is sometimes considered as stability, financial gains, money, career, whatever. Sometimes it's also looked at as permanent relationships like marriages. But I clarified it with the Nine of Pentacles, which tells me you're focused on yourself. You're focused on being single, independent, well-to-do, whatever that is, good-looking. Okay, so yes, one card for what do they want from you. One card for what do they want from you. Page of Pentacles, they want to start something with you now. A small offer, but yes, they are starting something with you now. Okay, so let's see what you should be knowing about this person. What should you be knowing about this person? From my handwritten notes, wants to speak, hiding interest. Wants to speak, hiding interest. So they might speak to you, however they may hide their interest towards you. Okay, or the interest they've got for you, they may hide that. In the past, they were all about words, sweet words, good for nothing. Okay, big happy changes are coming your way. So this is your reading for all those who are Libra. I've posted Libra next 72 hours. That's up for purchase for $2. So if you want Libra reading, you could go to my website and choose one. The link is given below. All those who wish to get a personal reading done from me, visit my website, choose one that fits best for you, and we are good to go. All those who wish to connect with me on WhatsApp to possibly share your story and get a reading, don't just share your story because you want to share your story to a stranger. You share it because you want to get some possible guidance on it, right? And thank you for coming in. Like the video, comment. Every like counts, right? Every like that you hit possibly helps me get more growth. Thank you for that. And all those who want to support the channel through your donations, whichever means, likes, comments, whichever means sharing as well, that is very much welcome here. And I'm very grateful for your support so far. And thank you for choosing me as a reader, and thank you for you having the time to watch this video. Okay, so thank you so much, and see you soon, guys.